Hi, this is Karen with WTI, and this is a beautiful maiden tote bag for women. I'm really impressed with the amount of things that I can fit in my purse. It has this special cord for the keys or phone, whatever you decide, which I love it because I'm always losing my keys. It has this compartment perfect for a laptop or iPad in my case, which I feel like my iPad is really secure. And oh my goodness, the makeup bag is so roomy. And I love the fact that it has this little elastic parts that I can have my makeup just stand up so it won't have any spills. And as you can see, I still have so much room for my pills, my sunglasses, my wallet, much more compartments, lipstick, another compartment, and in the back, an anti-theft pocket. And I'm amazed with the quality of the purse. I think it's a really, really great quality. Another thing that I really love is that I can be charging my phone on the go in a very discreet way. And not because it's a business handbag, it doesn't mean that it should be not cute. And look at this, I can use it so many ways. I love this bag. And that's my point of view.